Hey, what's up? How you doing? Hope all is well with your day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rondell Jordan. I appreciate you tuning into another BlackSwanRadio.com production. If this is your first time here, welcome to my domain. This is a space where you can come to chill out, vibe, and listen to some thought-provoking worldview conversations laid over some smooth-sounding hip-hop instrumentals like this. You are currently listening to a beat called Big Amounts, as in how we get to the money, right? This is a song made by 2 Chainz featuring Drake. This is what I like to call flight music, music for elevation. If you listen closely, you can hear the flutes, you can hear the Native American undertones, you can hear the African drums and the African American rhythms. You know, as you can tell, I like black swans, right? And it's because black swans are very, very rare and they travel far and wide, right? They're native to Australia. And like black swans, I like to elevate often, sometimes disappearing on night flights to my favorite destination, Rio de Janeiro. I remember the first time I saw 2 black swans in my life. It was in a pond at a resort in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It was beautiful. It was like in a garden. Well, that's another story for another day. But in the financial world, black swan events can be very profitable for those who are in the correct position beforehand. Here we promote scholarship and travel, right? Which both involves economics and education. Therefore, I deal with both of these subjects often in my discussions. So if you are looking to add, or you are listening to add a dose of substance to your internet experience, as they say, let the birds of the feather flock together. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment whenever you feel, and share as you desire. All the links are below. You can even join my new Facebook group, specially made to connect with other BlackSwanRadio.com subscribers. If you are interested in learning how to use Patreon as a group economic enterprise to make your internet experience more profitable, just click on the link to my next episode explaining in greater detail about what you can expect to experience in my next webinar scheduled this Tuesday at 12 noon. And if you cannot make that, we will be rebroadcasting 12 noon on Thursday. So either way, click the link below to receive a direct link to my webinar, or you can send an email directly to blackswanradio.com@gmail.com to schedule a private consultation. Well, that's it. Thanks for listening, and until next time, enjoy the rest of this music while you are doing whatever you are doing well. And as always, remember, Amani Nana Pindo. Keep the faith. I'm Rondell Jordan, also known as DJ Black Swan. That's all for now. I'm out. Peace.